Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to install glances on your Ubuntu 24.04 server. By the end of this video you'll have it fully up and running.
MivoCloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command.
The first method is install via apt. After updating your packages, simply enter the glances installation command. The second installation method is using Pipx. Install Pipx using the following command. Next, install glassing using the next command. By the way, you can use the promo code shown on the screen and in the description to get a 20% discount for free mouse on all virtual services on our website. After that, make sure the Pipx paths are set up in your system using the following command. The third way to install it using snap. Use the following command to install glances. To use glances, enter the command in your terminal. You'll be presented with a graphical terminal interface that shows your system load. Using hotkeys, you can sort everything by process. For example, by pressing H key will take you to the help screen. That's it for the installation. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button so more people can find this guide. All the comments I used are in the pinned comment below. If you run into any errors or have a suggestion for the next tutorial, drop a comment and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching MivoCloud.